So here's a very helpful item that you would want to have in your household, especially if you live in Florida like me. So I did find I found this item in Amazon. It's for unclogging and evacuating AC drain lines. So it's a wet vac attachment. So if you have, all you need is a wet vacuum. What I have is the rigid wet and dry vacuum, so you can choose what to use. So that's what I have, and then I bought this in Amazon, and here's the description of the item. But basically, this will help you with your AC unit, right? Mine had flooded in the garage, and I had bought this because I was advised before that we can vacuum the water and the dirt and whatever um, chunks that are inside the AC drain line. So I bought that, and here's the attachment. So make sure you have your drain line is 1 inch, and then all you need to do is attach that to your drain line, and then the other side to your vacuum hose, like the wet vacuum. And then after that, make sure that it's fit and firm. You have to hold it down because it's going to be strong once you turn on the wet vacuum. Here's the rigid one. I've used this for a lot of DIY stuff. But here, you see the junk that comes out? This is going to help with, cleaning up your AC, your air coming in. It's much colder because my AC has been fluctuating up to like 80 degrees in the midday when it's really hot, and then it's been happening the last 2 days, and I saw that it's flooding, so I used this. And here's what I got. So this is just very little because I've already did this yesterday to fix the flooding, but it did help. The flooding is no longer there. I've got a bunch of junks and dirts and the dust that were in there, and my AC has stayed in the same temperature as when I set it at night. Only in the midday because it's really hot then. It's a bit higher than the inside is a bit higher than what my set temperature is. But also make sure you do this so you can flush out some more the water from the drain line, and then make sure you clean everything once you're done.